Okay, this video is in regards to the Good Sam roadside assistance that we've purchased, that we are now learning when we went to use it, that there's some $500 limitation they're telling us. Nowhere when it was purchased was this advertised, that there's this $500 cost. We purchased the Platinum Plus Auto, and it has all of the information. Actually, I'm looking at the camera right now, and you can see I've screenshotted all of the advertisements for it. So you can look here. Here's the roadside assistance screenshot. Here's all of your information. Unlimited towing distance, nearest facility. Platinum Plus. Roadside assistance benefits. We pay 100% of your towing fees to the nearest network service, even if the distance is hundreds of miles. Even AI says, yeah, unlimited towing distance, no extra costs. Do I pay for it? No, we pay for it. It says you don't need to be submitting anything separate. So then we're going to, sorry, I'll scroll back up here. So the girl that I spoke with ends up talking about this $500 limit. This is an argument that we're having about this. And I said, no. She says, well, you get the brochure after you've purchased it. Then we send you a brochure in the mail, which seems backwards that it wouldn't be advertised, because everything I've just shown you, that is not on there anywhere. So I said, okay, well, I'll play along. So I go, as you can see down at the very bottom, goodsamroadside.com. Click on that. And I said, okay, we'll go down, as you can see, all of the information here. Website, Good Sam 2024, Affinity Road 2024. That would indicate this is an up-to-date website. Then you can see it says, all program benefits are subject to limitations set forth in the current member benefit brochures, which will be sent to you upon approval of your membership, which is a backwards thing. You can't send somebody that stuff afterward. I don't buy a car thinking that I've got a Hemi in it and I never checked under the hood and it goes my driveway and there's no motor. You can't do that. But anyway, we go on to this Good Sam, and I'm going to click on here, member benefits. And it comes up this. Long story short, I'll jump to the end. Good Sam apparently has old member benefit brochure, I think, to the best we can figure out. And then it goes to page 3 they keep referring me to. And let me see if I can zoom in on that. Service limitations. And that seemed to be the part that he's talking about. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. And even maybe I can screenshot. Let me try to screenshot this. That didn't work. It says the roadside assistance program does not service or offer reimbursement for the cost of parts, including keys, fuel, or labor for repairs or installation of replacement parts. Other exclusions include expenses resulting from calls from cellular phones, storage charges, delays, or displacement or cleanup, unless expressly listed in this benefit brochure. Expenses incurred for hotels, meals, campgrounds, car rentals, taxi fare, or airfare while your vehicle is disabled or being repaired are not included. So from what we understand is in your new brochure that I think maybe only your staff, Good Sam staff, know, has something about a $500 limit, which I never would have bought Good Sam had I known about a $500. That's not what insurance is. Do you pay 50 or $100 or something and your maximum is 500? No, that's gambling. I'd rather just know that it was covered as anybody else would. We can't be negotiating once we're broken down, which is the situation we're in now. We're broken down, and now all of a sudden we're in a vulnerable position negotiating with Good Sam. If you even look at the very bottom, images.goodsam.com. That is what that website goes to. And I'm looking at it on a device. So when we complained. I spoke with Ambrosia today, September 19th. Brought her through everything I just did now. This is good. Ambrosia's a Good Sam employee, and she says, "Oh my God, you're right. It is not on there." And then they try to defer you over to some other website. And I said, "No, I'm on the goodsam.com website. You can't be treating people like this. This is fraud or false pretense. You can't be doing that. It's not correct." So, as I said, I'm going right back through. Goodside, Roadside is goodsam, roadside.com. We are submitting a bill for $1,995, and we do not agree to this $500 limit. This is not transparent advertising at all.